Welcome to the E3D Advanced Plant Design and 3D Modeling Certification video. This joint certification program covers tools like AVEVA E3D Design, AutoCAD, Navisworks, and Excel for MTO. Our masterclass offers comprehensive training over 3 to 4 months, with over 120 practical hours and an 80% focus on hands-on learning. AVEVA E3D Design is the world's most advanced 3D plant design software. It allows engineers to create intelligent, data-centric models for various designs. E3D offers an integrated workflow, clash-free design, high productivity, and data-centric models. It is globally adopted across industries like oil and gas and power plants by EPC contractors and owner-operators. By the end of this certification, you will master technical competencies like intelligent 3D modeling, equipment configuration, and piping design and routing. You will also gain skills in structural modeling, drawing extraction, clash detection and review, and project administration. The target outcome is becoming an industry-ready plant design engineer. The certification features a comprehensive 7-module curriculum. Modules range from the Intro to E3D and equipment modeling to piping design, structural modeling, and documentation. The course concludes with review, clash detection, and live, hands-on projects, focusing on real-world applications. The program runs for 3 to 4 months, with over 120 hours of practical sessions and an 80% hands-on training focus. You will work on live industry projects, including oil and gas piping layouts and industrial pipe rack design. The software suite includes AVEVA E3D Design, AutoCAD, Navisworks, and Excel for MTO reports. This certification is designed for engineering professionals and students, including mechanical engineers, piping engineers, and working professionals. Career trajectories include roles like piping designer, E3D modeler, and plant design engineer. E3D skills are highly sought after by EPC companies and multinational firms in a growing global market. Validate your expertise with our dual certification program. The certification of completion is endorsed by IIT Patna Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation and certified by Baroda Institute of Technology. We also provide career assistance, including interview preparation and placement support. Enroll today to start your journey. Contact us via phone or visit our website for more information.